I'm going to do a split Dutch pour with some leftover paints. It's going to be a split of white and a sea green color. Before we begin, we have to always check if our canvas is level. You can use, you can find this anywhere on Amazon. I'm going to put the base paint here. It is a leftover paint. I usually don't like to waste paints, so trying to make the best of it. This is a beautiful sea green kind of color, so pairing it up with white here. I'm going to speed you up for this process. It is just pouring the sea green and the white base and ensuring all the sides of the canvas is also covered up with paint. So let's do this. I was supposed to post this video a few days ago, but unfortunately I had a sad story and I couldn't come online and work on editing this video and uploading it. So just got some time and thought of doing it now. You can use a palette knife, spatula, or an ice cream stick, anything that helps you to move your paint and cover the canvas. I do not hesitate to use my fingers, to be honest. It's fun. So I've actually ordered for a different white, titanium white paint from a different brand, just to check if that also has, it also gives the same results or it's better. Um, we will see that in the upcoming videos. Dodging out the air bubbles here to ensure there is no bubbles when it is dried. Okay, the colors I'm using today are Prussian Blue by Liquitex Basics, and I'm thinking whether I should put blue first or the green yellow. Maybe I should go with green yellow first. So here comes next Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. Followed by bronze from DecoArt. It's the first time I'm using this color, so crossing my fingers. Okay, Iridescent White by Liquitex Basics. I'm going to pour a little bit of blue and green yellow again, just very little. I think I put a lot of bronze, so let's see how it goes. And lastly, some Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. touching the air bubbles here again. And time to blow. Cross your fingers. Okay, the last bit of the paint didn't really go well, so we'll blow it out and see. Wow, that's it. This looks amazing. I It's the first time I'm using all these different colors like bronze. So let me know, guys, did you like this? If yes, please leave in your comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe to see more of me. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.